How to transfer and withdraw money on Fidelity. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily withdraw money from Fidelity. First thing you have to do is open up your Fidelity on your web browser and make sure to log into your account. From here you can find the transfer button at the top left of your screen right besides trade. You just basically want to tap on it. And once you tap on it, from here you can just select what kind of account you want to move your money from. Tap on the drop down and just select your account. Once you have selected your account, it will ask you where the money you want be to transferred. So just select where you want to transfer the money. And finally here you have to enter your transfer details like the amount that you want to transfer. And once that is done, you can tap on continue and it will show you a review of your transfer. Then you can just tap on submit and your transfer will be registered, and that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.